same, bike is same. Why you reduced your speed?
Sir, once again
Why?
say, sir, not understood.
You are going on a straight path with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Okay? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, you have one U-turn. Now my question is that whether your speed will remain same or it will decrease or increase.
Decrease.
Decreases.
Why it decreases? And
If
how
we
you are
Go on same speed, we can't make a U-turn, sir.
We can't, yes, sir.
can't. What will happen if you make same speed U-turn?
We'll
What
cross
will-
the U-turn.
We can't control. We can't control bikes.
If something goes wrong, don't take my name. Won't take my name. Why this will happen? Why it happens? Road is same, rider is same, vehicle is same, but only one turn made us to. Can you observe your body, how it behaves?
Centrifugal force will not be
Body will be same or it will tilt?
It will tilt, sir.
Why it will tilt? My question is that why you tilted your body? Why you tilted
That
your
is the centrifugal force, sir.
Yes. Tell clearly. What is that? Okay, I will ask this. Think about this. One more thing. This is the straight path. Your vehicle is moving around 60 kilometers per hour. There is a gradient. Again, straight path. Now, your vehicle will retain same speed or different?
Different, sir.
What? Why?
Because to move height, we will raise it.
We have to
Add more speed.
One more example. I will give simple task. You can do it in home. You take one distance. Start point is A. Reach B in a straight path. Take turn. Come back to again A. While going up, check time. While coming down, check time. Both are same or different?
Different, sir.
Why? Here I not made anything. Here path is same. There is no up and down. Yes, you turn again, come back and reach a point. Why time is different?
Sir, while moving up, we'll move some slow. While coming down, we will move fast.
Why? Who told
Due
you?
to gravitational
Gravity.
force, sir.
Oh, what is that gravitational force, Ra? I want that words.
Centrifugal force, sir.
What is, from where it came, Amma? I not spoken anything about gravity. I not spoken about anything. I simply told rider is there, ride is there, maintain constant speed, start from A, reach B, take U-turn, come back A. I just want to check whether both should be, time should be same. Why it is not happening? Always remember that, Amma. There are n number of forces acting. Can you change wind velocity? I not told wind. If wind is flowing in this direction, you can reach this destination as early as possible. But while going back, wind is in opposite direction. Wind is in. You are moving in this direction, but now wind and your speed, there
Opposite
is a
direction.
yes, resistance. You need more energy, more time to overcome same distance. Be careful regarding that. Means certain things in nature will play very vital role. When you are taking here, your body is in equilibrium state. But while trekking, what is center of gravity? Center of gravity. Anytime heard this word? CG?
Yes, sir.
CG will play very important role. Here, what will happen? Here, suddenly your body has to tilt because vehicle is moving towards this direction. Your body has to tilt in other direction. Then only you can balance the equilibrium state. What you have to balance? Equilibrium state. Then only you will get net output. Otherwise, skidding. You know what is skidding?
Yes, sir.
Very simply, you will tell, sir, the vehicle skid అయిపోయింది sir. ఎందుకు skid అయిపోయిందిరా? పడుకోండావా? While driving, if your negligence is the cause for skidding, if your vehicle is not under equilibrium state, obviously it will lose control. Somebody told, sir, we will lose control. Yes, be careful regarding these all terminologies. Now tell me, what is this? మొత్తం ఫిగర్ డ్రా చేశాను రా. Yes, tell me అమ్మా. I not only time pass చేయాలకి మూడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇవ్వలేదు, నాకు ఇది కావాలి. This is called gradient. This is called. What is the difference between this shaft and this shaft amma? Here shaft, gradient. Gradient means, you see, it is 40 dia, it is 20, means there is a reduction of 20, means it is gradient. Here here every point dia is same or different? Every point. Here I wrote once only. What is the relation between these two lines?
Parallel.
Parallel means they are equidistant. What about these two lines? They are parallel?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So they are inclined. So whenever you want to check at particular point, what is the diameter? For that, first you have to draw one vertical line, mark this point, draw one line, this line and this line should be parallel. These two should be parallel from this point, and then draw this type of line is called projection line amma. Projection line indicates the dia at one particular point. Dia at one particular, here every particular point dia is same because these two are parallel. But here dia is a variable. So one particular point, if you want to check projection, that line is called projection line. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now, I drawn arrow marks. Arrow marks you should not draw as per your wish. Now I will tell. Because in engineering drawing, everything should be universally accepted. Everything should be universally. First, draw this line. This is the one way. Draw this line. This. Second. There are three different ways. Can you name it? Can you name these three? You have your name now? Yes. Can you
We don't
name
know,
it?
sir.
Why you don't know? Why your name is Bhavya? I want to ask. Yes. Why you not asked your mom, dad? Why they kept your name as a Bhavya? Can you ask? I'm talking, don't take personally. I'm just asking the general question. Anyone names? Yes, tell me. What is the reason? Why you people are having your individual names? Who kept those names?
Parents.
Parents. Why they kept that name only? Why not something else? We have a number of names. Why they selected that particular name? That may be
They
particular.
liked it.
It has a
Yes.
specific meaning which
It should have specific meaning, your time, born, place, your ancestors. There are a number of reasons, Amma. We have one casual attitude. In engineering, one thing remember, Amma, everything we will, if you go in detail, you will get a number of problems as well as solutions. When I asked Bhavya, she surprised. Why Kulkarni sir is asking me? My name is Bhavya. Nothing, Amma, you have to feel proud. Yes, sir, my name is Bhavya. It is my parent like. Obviously, they felt something good in that. So that's why my name is Bhavya. Always be proud. Don't feel egoistic. Now tell me, can you name them? Name something. Huh?
Arrows.
Open
Ah,
arrow, closed arrow.
All are human beings. Next. Don't tell, all are human beings. Name it.
Open arrow, closed arrow, shaded
Oh, very
arrow.
good. It is open. Huh?
Closed.
This closed. Arey, why you taking that much of time? This is
Shaded.
closed with shaded. See, very simple, Amma. If you dared, you can do anything. I simply asked, all are arrows. Okay. Open. See, always. You can use open arrow. You can use closed arrow. You can use closed with shaded. It is left to you people. You have to decide. I won't say anything. But stick on one policy throughout the drawing sheet. But I always prefer open arrow. What I will say, I will prefer open. Now, how many students knows what is this internal angle, Amma? That internal angle is
45.
how much?
30.
నీకు ఇష్టం
15.
వచ్చింది లేదురా. How much I wrote?
15.
15 degree. 7.5 up, 7.5. This is for knowledge based, I am telling. While drawing this, I not measured any angle. Simply I drawn. See, but when somebody, this is length, this is width. Jagratam. Length and width ratio. That length is always 3:2 means what is the means? Ratio 3:2. Anyone?
Width is
One is-
once lesser than length.
Lesser than width. It may be 1:3. If you take length 3, width should be 1. So that ratio you have to follow. If somebody asks what is the ratio of length width, it may be 2:3 or 3:2. You can write 2:3 or 3:2, 1:3 or 3:1. So that is a method you have to follow. Getting my point, but I always prefer this. Any doubts? Now, there are two types of dimensioning system. Under this banner, there are two types. First one is called aligned system. First one is called
Aligned
Aligned
system.
system.
second one is called unidirectional system. First one is called aligned. ALIGNED, aligned system. Second one is called unidirectional system. Second one is called unidirectional system. Any doubts? Shall I draw now?
Yes, sir.
The second one ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Unidirectional. UNIDIRECTIONAL. Directional system. Unidirectional system. Listen. And one more thing, this should not touch dimension line to the object, but these two should be parallel. Jagratam. Drawing.
Sir, once read out the measurements.
Measurement. This is 20 mm. 20, 30, 20, 20, 50, 35, 35.
Sir, right side 2020, yes, sir.
Idu 20, 20, 20, 20.
Okay, sir.
But it is not circular. Be careful. 5 use chestene circular. Now, listen. What is the aligned amma? Aligned system is very simple. Aligned means full line draw cheyali. Ikkada okati arrow center దగ్గర dimension రాయాలి. Full line, 2 arrows, center dimension. Full line, center dimension. Full line, 2 arrows, center dimension. Full at top. Finish. This is aligned system. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడే చేశారు. చూసారా? కెన్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్? ఎనీవన్ అబ్జర్వ్? ఇష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడే చేశాను, ఇష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడే చేయడం. హియర్ ఇంటెన్షనలీ ఐ యూజ్. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఎరో మార్క్ పెట్టాను, సెంటర్ పెట్టాను, ఇక్కడ ఫుల్. there are different methods. If you want to follow aligned system, you have to follow this method. Getting my point? This is for linear dimension. Angular dimensions, angular always axis lines. I draw an axis lines. 30, 30, 30, 30. ఏం చేయలేదురా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి 30 ఇది ఇక్కడ చూడు this is 30 degree. This is obviously how much? How
60.
much?
60.
60. Yeah, you see 60. 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Degree really compulsory. Angular dimension is always. This is 60 degree. And this is 30 degree. Finished. What is that? Full dimension centrally 60. Full dimension 60. Centrally 60. This method is called aligned system.
Sir,
Ah,
30 you wrote 30 and 60.
ఇది 60 రా ఇవంతా చిన్న పిల్లల while writing I forgotten. You know that total 90, 30 plus 60. This is bigger one. Obviously it is 60. You should not ask that type of very small questions, amma. Ora, this is linear dimension, this is angular dimension. Both I represented. Only 4 lines I drawn, but I represented angularly.
Sir, in this diagram, every dash has a line, a dot after every dash.
ఎక్కడమ్మా ఎక్కడి
ప్రతి dashes పక్కన
ఇది
dots
access
ఉన్నాయి
line.
సార్ మధ్యలో
Ah.
అన్నిటికీ.
డాట్ ఇక డాట్స్ అమ్మా కనపడుతుందా లైన్
Thin line ఆ sir ఇది?
లైన్ డాట్ యాక్సిస్ లైన్ థిన్ లైన్ అది ఓన్లీ నీకే కనపడాలి అంతే ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి
Okay,
డార్క్ it should not be dark amma. That's why using HB and 2H I will tell in one of the class when I will conclude where you have to use 2H and where you have all other line should be HB 2H, that I will tell. Or this is over both figures.
Yes, sir, completed.
Now I will do here only. I won't draw. I will erase this. See, I will write unidirectional. You may feel, sir, what is the difference? I will convert. Aim chainama unidirectional. Same figure you have to redraw again once more time. Because I don't want to draw once more time. That's why I am doing in same figure. What I did, you see. Nothing amma idu 20, 30, 20, 20, 50, 35. This is 35. Unidirectional. Complete line కొట్టి కొంచెం స్పేస్ సెంటర్ దగ్గర కొట్టి single direction we will cut that line. This is called unidirectional. This is called unidirectional. That is actually earlier figure is bidirectional, 2 directions. But now this independent line, there is space, draw. Same thing you do it here. That's why I told I will minimize my work. I will simply center. I am erasing. This is called unidirectional. 30 degree center you have to write. 60 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. This is 60. This is unidirectional. That is a basic difference between that and this. This is important, amma. Dimensions are very much important. Without dimensions, we engineers won't understand what is the size of the component. But dimension, you may follow. I always follow unidirectional system. I always see my word. I am giving open option. You may follow aligned system or you may follow unidirectional. That is left to you. but I always follow unidirectional and open arrow. Got it? Noted down, but don't erase like me. I did it is only to minimize my burden. First, that's why I asked you to note down. Again, you have to redraw all figures. In drawing sheet, I want different types of line. That box, this figure, these three arrows, this figure with this figure with aligned system. Centrally, you have to write again two figures with unidirectional system. Still, this sheet is having so many contents that I will cover in next class. Please show your notebook. Ah, 4B0 Ashwath, show your notebook. Keep your video open. Ashwath, video on chesi notebook చూపించు. Ashwath is present. He left. Okay. Now I will take attendance. Wait. Where is Ashwath? He left. Very good. Satwik, Manish, 4B2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Notebook చూపించు, వీడియో ఆన్ చే.
సార్ నేను కొంచెం ట్రావెలింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను సార్, నెక్స్ట్ ల్యాబ్ లో చూపిస్తాను.
చూస్తాను అందుకే. నెక్స్ట్ అరవింద్ 4B3.
సార్
Now people are leaving. చూపించు, నోట్బుక్ చూపించు.
ఓకే సార్.
4B3 Arvind, show your notebook. చూపించమ్మా. Good. Right.
సార్ షోయింగ్.
Thank you. Right. Next. Pragati.
Yes, sir. Showing.
Pragati. చూపించమ్మా. Yes. Please switch on your video. What is that? What happened, Pragati?
Sir, I switched on, sir.
ఇప్పుడు కనపడుతుంది. Next. Good. But keep it in one notebook only. Okay.
This also we should write in observation only, yes, sir.
Only observation, everything. After that, only figures you have to transfer. Theory part should be in observation.
Okay, sir.
Bhanusri, 4B6. Bhanusri. Bhanusri, she is present.
Present, sir.
చూపించమ్మా నోట్బుక్ చూపించు వెరీ గుడ్ నైస్ మెయింటైన్ అమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ దీపిక
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
నోట్బుక్ చూపించు రూమ్ వద్దు గుడ్ రైట్ maintain like that because every class I will ask randomly, right? Thank you, Amma. Listen, any doubts, anything else? Otherwise we will wind up the sessions. Yes, I am talking to you people.
Yes, sir. No doubts.
No doubts, sir. Right, Amma? Who are these? Ganesh, Bhavya, Satvik. You just say hi to me in my WhatsApp. Sir, I am so and so from S07. You please forward. You please note down my mail ID. Kamal, mail ID. SAN. Note down my mail ID.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ కులకర్ణి గారు.
Good morning, sir.
రైట్ సార్, రైట్. యువర్ మెథడాలజీ ఇస్ వెరీ నైస్ సార్.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
రైట్,
Thank you,
రైట్,
sir.
రైట్ సార్, రైట్. బాయ్.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you. Please tell me. You please note down my mail ID. Noting down,
Yes, sir.
SANTOSH. SANTOSH 082016 @cmrset.org.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one thing, those who taken recording, you send, and once you complete sheet number 1, I will give one more mail ID where you have to forward your sheet. We will correct it and we will give tips where you did mistake. That I will give mail ID once I will finish sheet number 1. Until now, today, how much we covered, you please try to wind up. Okay?
Okay.
Just be ready. Next class, we will cover remaining portion. Okay, thank you, Amma. Bye. See you.
Thank you.